Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you are tired of bulky kitchen appliances that take up half your counter space but you still want the power to cook a real meal, you have come to the right place. Today we are looking at the Karienvir 12-inch electric cooktop. This little device promises to bring full power cooking to compact kitchens, RVs, and even outdoor patios. Let us break down whether this two-burner system is the upgrade your kitchen needs. First, let us talk about performance. This unit gives you a total of 2000 watts of power split between two burners. You get a larger 1400 watt burner for high heat tasks like searing steak or boiling water, and a 600 watt burner perfect for simmering sauces or keeping dishes warm. Having both burners active simultaneously means you can boil and simmer without them fighting for power. It is a smart setup that maximizes efficiency for its small footprint. One of the biggest pain points with modern touch-screen appliances is the lack of tactile feedback. Karienvir went with precision knob controls here, which I personally love. You get 9 distinct power levels, and the knobs feature a power indicator ring that glows so you always know exactly how much heat you are throwing at your pan. It feels sturdy, reliable, and makes adjusting heat during a recipe incredibly intuitive. Design-wise, this is a very versatile piece of gear. Because it is a 12-inch unit, it fits almost anywhere. You can set it directly on your countertop using the included non-slip silicone feet for a portable experience, or you can opt for a flush mount built-in installation if you are remodeling a small kitchenette or an apartment space. The black smooth glass surface looks sleek and premium, and because it is glass, it is compatible with pretty much any cookware you already own, which is a major bonus compared to induction alternatives. Now, let us get into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the biggest win is definitely the convenience. It is a true plug-and-play device. You do not need professional wiring or a complex setup. Just plug it into a standard 110-volt outlet and you are ready to cook. The cleaning process is also straightforward because they include a dedicated scraper in the box, and the residual heat warning light is a fantastic safety feature that tells you when the surface is still too hot to touch. On the downside, being a 110-volt device means it will not be as blistering fast as a massive 220-volt range. You have to manage your expectations when boiling large pots of water. Additionally, while the glass is durable, like any glass cooktop, you will want to avoid dragging heavy cast iron across it to keep it scratch-free over the long term. Ultimately, if you are looking to maximize your limited space without sacrificing the ability to cook 2 dishes at once, this electric cooktop is a stellar choice. It is simple, reliable, and gives you the control that budget hot plates usually lack. Whether you are outfitting a tiny home, a dorm, or just need an extra burner for holiday cooking, this is a great solution. If you want to check the current pricing or grab one for your own kitchen, everything you need is ready for you. Link in the description.